Manipal Hospital's Jaipur Emergency Department welcomes you all on the occasion of World Emergency Day. The aim of observing 27th May as World Emergency Day is to unite the world population and decision makers to think and talk about emergency medicine and emergency medicine care. Its mission is to explain to the people that emergency medicine care is better performed by competent professionals, be it doctors, nurses, or emergency medicine technicians. During the COVID-19 pandemic, our emergency medicine once again finds itself on the front line, saving lives as emergency doctors and nurses work through endless shifts to provide care and assistance to both COVID and non-COVID patients. Qualified medical competence, adequate equipment, and technical devices, along with shared and spot-on protocols, are truly saving lives in our hospital throughout this crisis. Today, we would like to celebrate the entire emergency medicine workforce, doctors, nurses, emergency medicine technicians, and other healthcare professionals who have devoted their existence to saving other people's lives in emergency situations. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Malay Kumar Mishra. I am heading this Department of Emergency and Accident in Manipal Hospital, Jaipur. Today being the emergency day, I would like to highlight few points here. Like once the emergency door opens up, we have no idea who is behind that door. The patient might be stable, unstable, or arrested, or walk-in patient simply like having headache. So basically, we are the frontline healthcare workers. We are the front face of hospitals. Like when anybody comes into the emergency, first thing is we need to categorize the patients depending upon the severity of illness. We put them into our triage bed. We have two different triage. One is for adult and one is for pediatrics group. And the vitals are being monitored, and we do certain kind of investigations, and we resuscitate the patient, and finally we shift depending upon the severity of illness in respective ICUs like medical ICU, surgical ICU, and cardiac ICU as well. And moreover, when anybody in trauma comes to our emergency department, our ambulance bay, our paramedics are well trained, well versed with the ACLS and BLS. So they used to take care of the patients initially. Then the emergency physician comes into the picture. We stabilize the patients, we resuscitate the patients in a routinely manner. We have certain protocols to be followed, and depending upon the severity of patient's conditions, we counsel the patient if the patient is stable, and we often counsel the attendant and the doctors on call, the consultant moreover, and finally shifting the patient to medical ICU or surgical ICU. Basically, it's a teamwork. My teamwork starts from the ground level staff. It's from the GDA who picks up the patient from the ambulance bay. From that, the triage nurse, the emergency physicians, the paramedics, and the consultant on duty. So basically, it's a team approach, and without team, these things could not be possible. And in this pandemic time, particularly in this COVID time, we had a very tough time dealing with this COVID cases. So we have separate triage bed for COVID and non-COVID area patients. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best, and I hope all these staffs and doctors should keep on doing this hard work for better patient satisfaction and better patient care. Thank you.
I am Dr. Pavandeep, an emergency physician, and it's a proud feeling to be known as emergency physician, because when you take a person from dying to living in a minute, it's the best job in the world. And emergency medicine, it's the first 15 minutes of every other specialties. When a patient comes to emergency department, like a stroke patient or a MI patient or a patient with trauma or poisoning, we are the first one to see the patient and treat them in a golden hour period. When I come to my duty, I don't have any clue what I'm going to see today, and it's like a mystery until I get into it. And every other day we see a new patients, we learn a new thing. Thank you Manipal Hospital for giving me an opportunity for being a part of this emergency physician. Thank you.
So basically my role is ambulance call to handle. Whenever call is coming in regarding person, we just ask about person condition is trauma or other diagnosis. According to a person regarding, we just move ambulance and in between we just inform to emergency doctors and staff. We alert when we come to take patient. Just be prepared. After we just reach see if person is trauma case and we just apply selected callers.
जब हमारे पास एम्बुलेंस का कॉल आता है तब हम सबसे पहले अटेंडरों से हिस्ट्री लेते हैं पेशेंट की। उसके बाद विदिन 5 मिनट के अंदर हम एसएलएस मूवमेंट करवा देते हैं।
हमारे इमरजेंसी डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर प्राइसिंग के हिसाब से पेशेंट को दिया जाता है। हमारे यहाँ पर 2 प्राइस बेड अलॉट किया गया है, एक एडल्ट प्राइस बेड, दूसरा पीडियाट्रिक प्राइस बेड, जिसके अंदर हम लोग विदिन 5 मिनट के अंदर पेशेंट को असेस करके उसको प्राइसिंग के आधार पर होता है। हमारे यहाँ पर रेड, ग्रीन, येलो जोन किया गया है। जोन ए रेड जोन, इसके अंदर मॉडरेट टू सीवियर पेशेंट होते हैं।
सबसे पहले जैसे हमारे पास पेशेंट आता है, हम ट्राइल्स कैटेगरी में पेशेंट को रखते हैं। उसके बाद ट्रायल्स में हम इनिशियल असेसमेंट करते हैं पेशेंट का, वाइटल साइन चेक करके। अब जैसे कोई पेशेंट चेस्ट पेन करके आ रहा है तब हम उसे इनिशियल असेसमेंट करके जोन ए में शिफ्ट कर देते हैं। वहाँ विदिन 5 मिनट पेशेंट का ईसीजी करके उनको कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट है उनको इन्फॉर्म करते हैं।
हमारे पास जो कार्डियो पेशेंट आता है उसके ईसीजी के बारे में कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट से डिस्कस हो जाता है और पेशेंट को मेडिसिन प्रिपेयर करने के लिए एडवाइस होता है। तो मेडिसिन में हम इकोस्प्रिन, एटोरवास्टिन, क्लोफिवास लोडिंग डोज देते हैं और पेशेंट को प्रिपेयर करते हैं कैथ लैब के लिए। विदिन 30 मिनट के अंदर कैथ लैब एक्टिवेट होता है और पेशेंट को
Emergency is all about teamwork. We are seeing 24 hours 7 all acute care, acute patient. Those who require urgent management and treatment, we triage them in within 5 minutes, and then we are giving them symptomatic management. We have plenty of patients, including stroke, trauma, ACS, and the pediatric emergency, gynecologic emergency, oncology, different kind of patient. Each and every shift is like mysterious. We have opportunity to see and take care of different variety of patients.